Top 7 free online courses to improve your overall marketing skill. Apple is considered one of the biggest and most successful tech companies in the world today. A large part of the company's success, especially at the start, is thanks to some brilliant marketing by Apple founder Steve Jobs. How you market your business or product can determine whether it'll be successful or not. In this video, we'll look at the top 7 free online courses to improve your overall marketing skill. There's also a bonus at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. If you're a businessman just starting as a marketer or looking to change careers, then this video is for you. Hi there, this is After School TV, the channel dedicated to showing you how you can grow personally in your career and how to stand out as an African in today's global market. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification button so you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. Let's get to it. 1. Introduction to Marketing. This course is designed by the University of British Columbia. It is available on edX completely free. Although if you want a certificate at the end, you'll need to pay a fee. The Introduction to Marketing course is suited for beginners with zero marketing knowledge. You can learn the basics of marketing, how to carry out market research, how to attract customers, and how to use social media to market your products. 2. HubSpot Inbound Marketing Course. The Inbound Marketing course is designed for digital marketers looking to get better with the inbound side of things. It's a beginner-friendly course that is broken down into 10 easy-to-follow lessons. Here's a look at some of what you'll learn. Fundamentals of inbound marketing, how to plan your content strategy, how to create a blog post, lead nurturing, how to align sales and marketing. At the end of the lessons, you'll get an official HubSpot certification. 3. Digital Marketing Strategy. If you're interested in learning about digital marketing at a strategic level and how it relates to business, then this course is for you. One of the unique features of this course is the case study lessons. Here, students will examine the moves of some of the world's most successful businessmen, such as Reed Hastings, the CEO of Netflix, and Jeff Bezos, Amazon's CEO. One of the objectives of this course is to provide insight into how these business leaders manage to stay on top of the marketing game. The Digital Marketing Strategy course is available for free on edX. 4. Copyblogger's Internet Marketing for Smart People. Copyblogger is one of the leading voices when it comes to digital marketing, especially in the areas of copywriting, blogging, and internet marketing. They have a ton of learning resources on their website and lots of learning opportunities as well. One of their more popular courses is Internet Marketing for Smart People. The course is designed in a way that anyone can understand online marketing and how to effectively apply it. The best part of this course is that learning takes place through a series of emails so you can digest the information at your own pace. 5. Entrepreneurial Marketing. If you're considering starting with the basics, Entrepreneurial Marketing is a good place to start. The course is available on the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT OpenCourseWare, a free learning center. The course clarifies key marketing concepts, methods, and strategic issues relevant for startup and early stage. Because there is no universal marketing solution applicable to all entrepreneurial ventures, this course is designed to help students develop a flexible way of thinking about marketing problems in general. 6. Fundamentals of Marketing Your Business Online. Having an effective online marketing plan is crucial to the success of any business, and for those that recognize this fact, this course is the perfect learning opportunity for you. You can enroll in this course by visiting the Allison website. Like all their courses, it is free. The course aims to help business owners increase their knowledge of online marketing and what it involves. You'll learn how to build an online marketing plan, how to promote your business online, and basically how to implement a successful online marketing strategy using online marketing tools. 7. SEMRUSH Content Marketing Toolkit. SEMRUSH is one of the most successful digital marketing tools out there. In order to serve their customers better, they created an academy where users can learn the A to Z of digital marketing. You can learn about SEO, content marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and PPC. It covers both basic and advanced digital marketing concepts. Some of the lessons focus more on how to use SEMRUSH, but they also cover general concepts. There you have it, the top 7 free online courses to improve your overall marketing skills. But before we leave, here's that bonus content we promised. Optinmonster Digital Marketing Training. Optinmonster is a popular tool for increasing website conversion. Like SEMRUSH, they decided to create several courses where users can learn about conversion optimization and email marketing. If you're thinking of starting a website for your business, or you already have one, then you'll understand the importance of website conversion. You can learn different email marketing strategies and ways to boost website conversion. That's it for this video, and as always, don't forget to leave a comment telling us what topics you're interested in learning. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button. Remember, your success matters.